Hello student, today we will be studying about food which is from class 6th lesson 1st. As we know, food is the basic requirement of our life and its sources are from plants and animals. Sources which comes from plants or food ingredients which comes from plants are fruits, vegetables, grains, pulses, etc. And sources of food which comes from animals, few examples are milk, eggs, meat, etc. Now in this figure, as we can see, the all parts of the plants which can be eaten by animals, such as stems, roots, leaves. Now let's individually take few examples such as of roots. Carrots can be eaten by animals. Stems such as potatoes, an example, broccoli, bamboo shoots, sugar canes. In leaves, spinach can be eaten, which also known in Hindi as palak. Fruits, examples can be apple, pear, tomato, grapes, cherries, etc. Edible flowers can be cauliflowers, broccoli heads, and seeds can be of sunflower seeds. Now we can categorize animals in three different categories according to their uh, eating habits, such as herbivorous. They only eat plant or all the products made from plants, such as, now in this category examples can be cow, goats, deer, giraffe, etc. And next categories is of carnivorous, in which those animals which eat only meat of other animals, for example lion, tiger, vultures, etc. And in the last category, which is of omnivorous, animals which can eat both plant parts and meat products, for example humans and deer, etc. Now food have five major components, such as vitamins, minerals, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. In diet of carnivorous, fats and protein are in higher quantity, whereas in plant-based food, vitamins and minerals are in higher quantity. Now let's see difference between vegetarians and herbivores. Vegetarians are those who make conscious decision to not to eat meat. That means they think in mind, yes, I will not eat meat, I will eat only plant products. Whereas herbivores, they don't have that capability of thinking about their in their mind that what is meat product or what is plant products. God has made them like that. They can only think about the food, that is green plants which they can eat. So vegetarians can be like humans. They can think and they can decide whether they have to eat plant products or they do not want to eat meat products. And herbivores such as cows, goat, deers, they don't have choice. They can't even think in that way like we humans do. Now here are few definitions, such as nectar. It is the juicy liquid which is secreted by flowers and which is sucked by bees and then later made into honey. Now here